Have you ever thought that the factory stereo of your car could be turned into an Android system and just like an Android phone? Come on and try the PICASOU AI adapter. Plug and play through USB connection. Built-in GPS antenna, SIM card slot, and micro SD card slot. High-performance chips and fast storage technology making it run more smoothly. Humanized design of user interface make it easy to use and more efficiently. Watch video. Listen to music. Play games. Install app. And hands-free Bluetooth phone call. What's more, it provides wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. And PICASOU AI adapter has excellent performance in EMC test, heat dissipation test, and anti-static test. Wireless connection allows you to move around freely. PICASOU AI adapter. Always be with you along the way.